How to remove duplicate payment method on PayPal. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to remove duplicate payment method on PayPal. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your web browser or PayPal application if you have it on your device and go over to paypal.com. Now I'll just quickly log into my account from here. Once you are logged in, you need to go ahead and find your payment options and find your duplicated payment method. You can do that by going over to the top left corner on the hamburger menu, and from there you can go over to wallet. From your wallet section, you'll see all of your payment methods and cards. So if you have added the same card multiple times like this, all you have to do is tap on the card you have added and you can just long press on it and you'll find a delete option there. Just tap on delete and you'll be good to go. And if you want to add a new card, just enter your card details over here, and once you have added your card details, just tap on link a card, enter your CVV code, and you're going to be good to go. That's basically it, guys. It's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.